welcome back to today's video. I'm Victoria Vic. I love everything skincare. I talk about skin, I talk about product recommendations and relationship talk sometimes. If you're just joining me for the first time, this channel is all about product recommendations, relationship talk. In my previous video, I posted on how to use rice water to achieve a glowing and a flawless skin. I also gave a detailed explanation on how to, prepare rice scrub to use and treat knuckles and dark patches. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about lightening cream. So let's discuss which lightening cream do you think is best in the market. For the 4 persons, the beautiful ladies in this platform, please, which lightening cream have you used that is very nice? This channel should be a channel where we help people. It's a channel where we can come and talk about it. I'm not saying people should post adverts, but people say, oh, I have used this lightening cream, my complexion is really beautiful, I think people should try it. So which lightening cream do you think that works? Currently I am using, or I'm gonna be showing this lightening cream, which is produced by Bismid Cosmetics, and it's called KOJIC+GLUTHATHIONE Extra Whitening Lightening Cream. Okay, so this is how it looks. If you want to be fair and you are dark before you just want to tone, I can tell you to use this one. But if you have a very if your skin is a bit damaged due to excessive use of cream, please do not use it. If your skin is okay, maybe it's dark, you just want to tone a little, you can try getting this Bismid KOJIC+GLUTHATHIONE Extra Whitening Cream. Alright, and also when you're using this cream for your body, which is produced by Bismid, they also have the facial cream, which is also KOJIC+GLUTHATHIONE Extra Whitening Night Face Cream. You don't want to use a body cream on your face, okay? You should get a facial cream. They have different facial cream, but of recent I am trying this one out. Okay, you can also consult them to give you the best facial cream according to your complexion. Remember, this cream is for those that is dark and they want to tone a little, because it doesn't just make you to be white like you want, but it's going to tone you and make your skin nice and beautiful. And also, if you're using a bleaching or a lightening cream, you know that knuckles is something that we always struggle with most times. So of recent, I discovered that Bismid also have a knuckle soap for night knuckle soap. Okay, it's called knuckle soap. Look at how it comes, look at it. So if you have knuckle, you can try buying this soap. It's nice. Or if you don't have money to buy it, you can also use your rice water to keep rinsing your body and using your rice scrub to keep scrubbing your body. But if you do not want to be fair at all, but you just want to tone, you don't want to be so black, you can try using this Kiss and Tints. This Kiss and Tint is very nice. It's very nice. For children, it's for children. But the truth is that if your child is dark, don't buy it for him or her, because it's gonna lighten the child. If your child is fair, very fair, you can consider buying it. Alright, for children, it makes their skin to be glowing, it makes their hairs to come out, it makes them look so beautiful. But please, when buying this product, I've just discovered that there are lots of fake now in the market, because this one I'm showing off here is the fake version of it. Because how I knew it's fake is that the K is written in a yellow color, but the original one, the K, which stands for the kids, is written in red color. All the write-up Kiss and Tints is written in the red color, but this one K is written in yellow. And this label here covering it here, like this, is milkish in color, but the original one is white. Okay, the same thing applies to the back. This label wrapping it like this, the original one is white, but this one is milk. Okay, how we should know the fake is that when the original is very thick, but this one once you press it, it will pour out. The original is very thick, and when you apply the original or it has oil, your skin starts shining immediately. But this one is dry. This one I'm with is dry. Okay, so the original makes you to glow immediately and is very soft. When you apply it, your hand will become soft. But this one here, no. The original will make you to lighten a little, but this one I'm with makes you to get dark. So when you are buying, please make sure you get the original. I hope you made a point in this video. If you've used any product that works as well, please feel free to drop it in the comment section, ask me questions, and I'll be glad to attend to you. Don't forget to like and share this video if it